you know, the rain was so much, it says in Laguna and, you know, being Tagaytay, but really, it's so powerful because all is well. Thank you, Lord. Walang brown out. Mukhang humayo siya. So, same way, of course, in our very lives. So, wag na po nating patagalin pa. I know we are so excited because everybody already typed 21 days. Ayan. So, right now po, what will be the flow? We will be asking sharings, okay? And of course, I know if you have attended kanina, we had our third year anniversary, and after that, we also had amazing, I believe, leader sizzle for those who stayed because there are some who flew ahead. So now we're very excited hearing, of course, their sharing. Yan, mainit-init pa, okay, from the third year anniversary. So the first sharer we will be calling, of course, coaches, couple power ito. Ayan. Coaches Jason and Sherry Luz Bacaro. Gulat sila. Yeah, kayo po yung verse.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sherry Luz Bacaro. I am capable, courageous, and committed woman. I am so happy and grateful now that I am earning $5,000 every single month starting December 2024 as a 3-star manager. Yeah. So last Friday po, nag-attend po kami sa Leaders Sizzle, and we had a great time meeting the leaders from other teams and hearing their pride stories and how they achieved their rank up position in a short period of time. It was really amazing and inspirational po. My takeaway po sa new Pride Builder app that will be launched very soon is that this app will really catapult our business to another level, and very excited po to meet our new leaders in USA and Canada. Yeah. So our Johor Bahru experience naman po in Malaysia was another great experience. Grabe po talaga si Price, no? Dahil as a couple po, this was our first time po talaga namin na nakapag-travel together in 3 countries already. So we are really thankful for Price International. And of course, yun po talaga ang driving force po. Especially sa akin po kasi I love traveling. Sino naman po ang hindi gustong mag-travel, di ba? Makapag-travel around the world. So of course, everything is possible with Price, no? With Price, it can be done. So dito po kay Price po, napabilib po talaga ako sa products, especially po sa ating board of directors, no? Yung trust and belief system ko po is all the more po na uplift po. And then, of course, I know po that we are in the right company, we have the right products, and we are with the right people and at the right time. So grabe po, excited po talaga kami. And of course, grateful din po na nakapag-side trip sa Singapore. And very thankful po talaga, nakapunta na po talaga ako sa isa sa mga dream places ko po with my husband, of course. And I see myself moving forward with excitement and embracing my greatness, knowing that all things are possible with God, no? I can do all things through Him who strengthens us. So yun po, thank you very much and good more earnings.
Yes. Oh, meron pa pala. Sorry, Coach. Okay, go. Take it away.
Hindi na siguro. Skip na. But yeah, I'm Jason Cabradilla Bacaro here in Barobo, Surigao Sur. Right now, no, grabe din yung ulan, no? Buti na lang huminto. Walang brownout. So yes. Thank God, I'm passionate, committed, and grateful man. I am happy and grateful now that I'm earning $5,000 starting this December this year as a 3-star manager. I'm blessed and grateful, of course, with the experience during the 3rd year anniversary in Johor Bahru. No, amazing po talaga yung as what I see, yung expansion ng company, how yung mga achievement na nagawa natin in a span of 3 years time. And grabe yung impact ng Prive talaga sa world, no? It's because of also the Prive Foundation. Ang dami nating natulungan And plus no the latest products, line of products, no, excited ako dun sa rubber shoes na may technology na parang hindi ka siguro mapapagod noon pag sinuot mo. No, so had an amazing experience, of course, also in Singapore, as it was my first time, no, together with my wife. Grabe yung suroy-suroy doon. And of course, with the Sizzle, last Friday, no, in Davao, no. Of course, after the event, we were able to attend also. Ang ganda rin ng mga testimonies, no. Even one of the doctor in the US, but I won't share it na. I believe my video naman siya, but we were really blessed, no. The product is really one of a kind. It's a revolutionary technology. Plus, we are excited also with the Prive Builders app, no? That's gonna be launched soon. So it's really an opportunity for us to, kumbaga, ride the second wave, no? Kasi my first wave na, and we are here right now. We are thankful for our uplines, no, our ambas, na talagang tinutodo nila, no? They are really supporting us in this journey, no? That's why we have this 21 days. And we're really excited moving forward. Ito na talaga yung doing the business global, no? In global, especially will be starting in the US, and eventually the rest of the countries will follow. So thank you po, and have a blessed day each and everyone. Good more earnings.
Yes. Thank you so much, Coach Jason. Ayan, and Coach Sherry Luz. The perks of being couple, di ba? Pag nag-travel, pag nag-learn, yan. Learn, business, and pleasure together. Okay. So, next, of course, I'm sure we are continuously, kumbaga, nag-hit up continuously. And ano kaya yung Prive Business App? Ano yung mga nabitiwan, no? Mamaya po, just stay put, be excited. We will learn more for those who heard it for the first time, but for those who heard it, we know continuously na grabing talagang exciting news. So, let's welcome another coach, of course, to share. Coach Vivian Gonzalez. Coach Vivian, take it away. Unmute po. Hindi niya ma-unmute. Okay.
Coach Mimi,
Po.
Maisal Gonzalez or Vivian Lumanag?
Ay, ano ba yon? Sorry. Kasi,
Sino bang gusto mo
Vivian.
mauna?
okay. Okay. Coach Tix. Okay, sorry. Coach Vivian Luman. May nagatawa din ha. Sorry, apologies po. Para kasing natabi yung name nyo po. Okay.
No
Thank you so
worries.
much for correction. Ayan, nagsama ang Coach Vivian. Okay. Hindi po ma-unmute. Sige po, wait lang. Kaya na po. Co-host ka na, Coach Vivian.
Okay. Good more earnings. Hindi ako kumibo doon sa Vivian Gonzalez kasi akala ko iba talaga yung tinatawag eh. Nakalusot sana ako. Okay. I am Vivian Lumanag. I am from General Santos City, Philippines. I am loving, I am capable, and I am worthy woman of God. And I'm so happy and thankful now that I am earning $5,000 every month, consistently starting December 2024. I'm so happy that I was able to attend the 3rd anniversary of Prive in Johor Bahru, Malaysia, with a side trip to Singapore. So I'm so happy and also grateful to the Lord Jesus for making it possible for me financially and physically and time wise. So everything is working out for my highest good. All is well. So my takeaway sa ating Grand Caesar last night and also yung natanand ko sa Davao is I'm so excited about the coming new app, yung Builders app ng Prive, which is talagang mapabilis ang ating business globally, especially sa US and Canada market. So I'm so glad that Prive is always innovating mga systems para talaga we can succeed in this business. So, and I'm also glad that we have this 21 days project again. I mean, talagang intensive to kasi 'di ba 90 days tapos naging 21 days. So, I am looking forward to embracing my greatness and to be more courageous, more disciplined, and more responsible, to seize the day, to seize the moment, to act with urgency now, because you have to really ride on this wave, because we really wanted this to be possible, yung to be there on the 4th anniversary, kasi yung enjoyment ko, yung greatest joy ko nung sa Malaysia is to see my downline, Ma'am Rosalie and Sir Paul Chavez went up the stage. It's a really amazing feeling, no? Yung nandun yung downline mo. Iba din yung tayo din yung umakyat sa stage. Iba din pala yung nakikita mo yung mga downlines mo na they are being recognized. Magkaiba yung feeling eh. Parang sa tingin ko, mas masaya talaga ako na nandun sila. Pero, of course, maganda yung sama-sama tayo lahat, di ba? So, yun ang goal talaga namin ngayon ni partner Maisel Gonzalez na talagang next anniversary, hindi lang kami taga-palakpak. Talagang papalakpak din kami at papalakpakan. So, yun, parang double talaga ang portion ng joy. So, thank the Lord that I am still here because of our beloved grand coaches. We won't be here without their support, without their encouragement. So, and also to the rest of the team, no, yung nandito ngayon sa Zoom na to, you are an inspiration to us also. So, we believe that we are in this together, and success is inevitable because meron tayong kahawak kamay sa journey na to. So, I really praise and thank the Lord for this opportunity that He has given to me and to us. So, yun. For now, yun muna. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Coach Vivian Lumanag. Ayan. So, tawagin na natin ang kanyang partner na pinag-mix natin ng first name at last name. Mukha kasing partner na partner talaga, nagkaganon. But apologies for that. But now, let's welcome, of course, the amazing partner, which is Coach Maisel Gonzalez. Ayan. Thank you, Coach Maisel, for correcting a while ago.
Good mornings, everyone. Great more earnings. Yes, I am Maisel Gonzalez. I am patient. I am competent. And I am confident woman. I'm so happy and grateful that I am earning $5,000 monthly, increasingly, starting December 2024 as 3-star manager. My wonderful experience when I was when I was attending the 3rd year anniversary, tama yung sinabi ni Vivian na it is the feeling is different and happier. Ecstatic ako actually because I'm seeing our downline na umakyat ng stage. However, I feel deep inside me that there is some kind of energy telling me na bakit wala ako or why am I not there? So that same energy nag-create po siya ng spark sa akin. It's like re-ignition na I really have to work very, very hard because on the next year anniversary, you will be seeing me on stage and as a Sapphire director because I'm so excited to tell my story as well. And then yung sa last Friday Zizel namin sa Davao when I attended, the Zizel itself was overload of excitement, especially dun sa new builder application. I'm so excited. I really want to know how it works. And I'm believing that this also can help me achieve my goal of becoming a software director next anniversary. And as I understand it correctly, the builder app that will be launched in the near few days, it entails speed. It entails speed and the name of the game is speed. So lahat tayo magkaroon ng exceptional speed in doing our Prive business. And moving forward, I would like to thank the Lord. I would like to thank the grand coaches, our own grand coaches, crown ambassadors, and coaches as well, because I am believing and seeing myself as Sapphire director on the 4th anniversary. And my call for action, I am becoming a person of fulfilled dreams and results creator. And my call for action is that not to delay time. Maintain a high-speed course of action, bearing in mind that I can tap my unharnessed capabilities in achieving my highest potential, thus ultimately achieving my goal for the next year anniversary. Thank you so much, Prive International, and thank you so much to everyone, my Prive family, and good evening and blessings to everyone.
Yes, and we are agreeing with you, Coach Maisel. We are seeing you, Sapphire Director. Woohoo! Palakpakan naman.
Thank you, Lord.
Amen. Ayan. And of course, grabe po. So, talagang painit ng painit. And ito na po, ayan, of course, di ba? We have coaches and we have a mentor. Ayan. So, dito po, no, ang maganda dito, everybody is really having that, kumbaga, how do you say that, learning whatever, coach man tayo, mentor, mentee, ang importante po lahat tayo may goals, di ba? Lahat po tayo may wins and we really have, kumbaga, burning desire in our hearts to fulfill. So, without further ado, ayan, let's call on. Of course, hindi porket mentor, 'di ba? Ako very excited ako whoever shares. Ayan. Si Mentor Divine Ibanez. Ayan. Mentor Divine. Asa na si Mentor Divine? Ayan po, welcome. Take it away.
Thank you. Good more earnings, everyone. I am Divine Faith Ibanez, and I am responsible, I am secure, and I am a worthy woman. I am happy and grateful that I am earning $2,000 consistently and increasingly starting December 2024. So for my takeaway last Friday's Leaders Sizzle was actually the sense of urgency. Not knowing that we have already the Prive US holdings. So this has actually made me think to really work harder, considering that once the mobile app in the US will be launched, definitely a lot of people will start to know more about Prive. So my thinking is that I really have to work harder on sharing and convincing the people whom I know in the United States to really know the Prive International, and at the same time with the aim of duplicating the system. With the say the device alone is already done deal. So we have a very excellent device and at the same time an excellent platform. So no question about that. What I need to share to them is how good the product is. And at the same time, I have to be very concerned of the urgency. Why? Because if I'm going to stop doing the business, then that would mean also that I will be left behind. So I have to come first in the queue. So by being persistent enough and by motivating myself to really work, not just at night, but also early in the morning, I believe I will be able to join those people that we have witnessed last time and in Malaysia, the one who actually made it on stage. So it's really my dream to be part of that group. And with my experience in Malaysia, I'm just so happy and feeling excited knowing that Filipinos are really topping up the game. So we are actually on the top. And I hope and I pray that we will continue to do so. With regard to my call for action regarding the 21-day run, I will become more intentional and will be more laser focused. At the same time, I have to hit the 5 persons in a day, specifically not just in the United States, but people in Canada. I need to tap them. I need to be more persistent in doing the game. So I would also like to take this opportunity to thank my sponsors and my friend, Miss Joyce Quesada, and also her beloved husband for really motivating me and the group, the Team Blazing Fire. Thank you so much. And also for the coaches, our crown ambassadors, Coach Baluran and Coach Josh Baluran and Coach Christian for being there always to support us. I guess that's it, and good more earnings, everyone.
Yes, thank you so much, Mentor Divine. Yes, we agree with you. Indeed, urgency and of course, talagang grabe po, no? Especially later, alam ko, grabe ng curiosity, no? Almost everybody's like, what is that? What is that app? What is this US? So, don't worry. Of course, the last but not the least, so that we can hear ano ba talaga tong sinishare ng lahat with the Prive Business app. Ayan, malapit na. So walang kukurap. Let's welcome Coach Jessica Tayag. Ayan, Coach Jessica, take it away.
Good morning, everyone. A blessed and wonderful day to each and everyone and to the world. Yes, I am Coach Jessica Tayag from Davao City, Philippines, from Global Team Victorious. I am capable, courageous, and confident woman. I am happy and grateful that I am earning 2,000 US dollars starting December 24 consistently and increasingly. Yes, and as two-star manager. My takeaway on our leader Cecils, I'm so very excited po dahil sa good news about sa Prive Builders apps from US po. And this time, we need to learn fast, lalo na po sa mga technologies. Focus on global business partners. And we offer business, not only buying a product. At syempre po, ang grabing experience sa 3rd year anniversary in Johor Bahru, Malaysia. Hindi po ako makapaniwala na in 1 year time, 3 countries na po ang narating ko. Grabe talaga si Lord. Kasi dati po, pinapangarap ko lang ngayon, answered prayer po talaga in Prive. At dahil kailangan kong i-enjoy ang moment in Malaysia, nakapag-TikTok po kami ng aking travel buddy. Yes. And very blessed po talaga ako kasi I feel the energy of teamwork, helping each other, and hawak kamay po talaga kahit cross-line po. And totoo po na in Prive, we are one Prive, one team, and one family. And this 21 days call for action, I see myself forward na di ako papayag na sa susunod na anniversary I will rank up and awarded. My call of action is to be persistent, committed, and disciplined to become the best version of myself and to have a passive income. Yes, 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 because pride is the vehicle to make your dreams come true. Thank you and God bless everyone.
Yeah. An amazing energy. Ganun pala yung urgency, velocity. Hindi ka humihinga, di ba? Ganun talaga. Speed is the name, di ba? So, grabe, no? I know we are all very, very much energized. We are all, I know for some places, especially in the Philippines, gabi. Pero, di ba, ramdam natin na nagsisimula pa lang ang araw dahil sa mga sharing. So, wag na nating patagalin pa. Ano ba tong good news? Ano ba tong 21 days? Ano ba tong US? Ano ba tong Private Business App? Ready na pa kayo? Kung ready na kayo, mag-emoji naman kayo dyan ng fire or heart. Come on, come on. Because we need all our amazing energy to listen. I know for some of us, it's end of the day, but malapit na. So talagang hold it. Okay, hold it and really be on top of the energy. Ayan. Because this is the time we will now learn and we will now understand, and ang gusto natin after, oh, yun ba yun? Wow, I want this. Ayan. So, if you are ready, ayan, thank you. Grabe na talagang mga, talagang hindi lang isang emoji. Thank you so much. So, without further ado, I know everybody's ready. Everybody's ready with their open hearts, open mind, empty cup, with their notebooks, with their pens. Tama? Ready na? So let's welcome, without further ado, our Grand Coach, Crown Ambassador, Glory Quaresma. Hello po. I saw Coach Glory. Ayun. Okay, without further ado, let's welcome our Crown Ambassador, Grand Coach, Glory Quaresma. Timing talaga yung pagpasok ni Coach Glory. Ayan. Ayan po, ayan. Hello po. I think I saw. Okay, so I just saw her entered, but I know everybody's ready. So kung ready na, itaas ng mga pen and paper. Ayan. Notebook. Ayan. So I know all of us were really ready. And kanina po, meron tayong mga narinig na medyo siguro first time natin narinig. So I'm sure we will all be clarified after this sharing. Grabe, yan talaga ang momentum. Sorry, Grand Coach, nakita ko pumasok ka na eh. So again, let's welcome our amazing, energetic, of course, Grand Coach, Crown Ambassador, Glory Quaresma. Ayan.
Yes, grabe. Good mornings. It's really, anyway, it's really, parang natutuwa lang. Pwede ba mag-Tagalog or English lang?
Tagalog, English.
Tagalog, English, okay lang po.
I mean, may ibang lahi. Wala naman.
Meron, pero nagpa-practice mag-Tagalog. Tagalog, English, sister, pwede lang.
That's good, that's good. Anyway, yes, I'm actually happy, no, na grabe yung grabe tong team na to. Nakaka-inspire and indeed, no, parang sa journey natin with Amazing Project, sabi nga natin, di ba, the Amazing Project is really, hindi naman talaga siya theory. It's, nilakad ito. Parang may puso. Parang, kumbaga ba, hindi tayo nagbigay lang na naglagay tayo ng recipe. For example, pinakbet. So, yan yung naluto, ito yung masarap, eksakto talaga lahat yan, ganon. So, hindi lang tayo nagbigay ng nandiyan sa ating roadmap, everything there, na hindi nalakad at hindi talaga yon yung yung naging reason, no, na parang nakatulong for, kumbaga ba yun yung how natin for the success, paano tayo nagkaroon ng ambassador, and for the rest, no, na matagal na rin naman nating niraran ang amazing project. However, no, parang as the grand coaches, we've agreed, we've seen na ito nga, we're actually ready, no, inside. We believe in the manifestation from inside out. We're ready inside, and kumbaga ba alam na natin na manifestation from inside out, and then most of us really have that roadmap. Alam natin yung point B natin, yung nasaan tayo sa point A, then the roadmap worksheet natin. Ang nakita lang namin na with all the coaches, grand coaches, no, yung nakita namin na isang kailangan nating mas strengthen sa journey natin is really hindi natin masyadong nalakad yung monitoring. 'Di ba meron tayong daily monitoring sheet? So yung kumbaga ba alam natin yung pupuntahan natin, yung point B, alam natin yung asaan tayo ngayon, nasagutan natin, nakita na natin yung roadmap, pero yung lakad natin papunta dun sa pupuntahan natin, hindi na natin nagagawa ng maayos, no? So and isang ang nakita ko, most of the amazing mga coaches, no, mga coaches, mentors, mentees na talagang grabe yung nakaka-amaze yung kanilang results, no? Kasi lahat naman tayo ang ganda ng growth yung nangyayari sa atin, no? But in terms of the accomplishment on the goal, pag binangga mo siya sa goal natin, yung karamihan ng nakakuha nun, and even nag more than pa doon, most of them really talagang nandun yung magic dun sa day to day. Talagang they actually did the daily laser focus. Talagang may ginawang trabaho doon, no? So, and yun naman talaga yung pinaka-importante in terms of the discipline na meron tayo is talagang saan mo ba ilalagay yung energy mo? Saan mo ba ilalagay yung paano, it's not about actually the time management, it's energy management. Paano natin siya ina-apply sa ating yung income producing activities, yung ganon. So doon po nangyari, doon nag-come up, no, na we've agreed with all the grand coaches na okay, let's be ready sa lahat ng mangyayari, because we're believing, no, that without a doubt, no, with certainty that next year, the 2025 is our harvest time, no? Ready tayo, ready tayo from inside. So, and ito yung isang natin, no? Isang journey natin, making sure that kumpleto yung paglakad. Kasi real talk naman po talaga, like sa atin, no? Yung day-to-day nilakad talaga natin yon, no? Gigising ka ng 3 a.m., hindi ka matutulog ng hindi ka nagjo-journal, 'di ba? Paggising ko ng umaga, alam ko na yung gagawin ko. Ang dami kong kausap. Talagang 6 income producing activities, lakad talaga yon, journey talaga siya on a day-to-day basis. So yun siya. So is it easy? I know I'm tasked, no, to share thank you so much, Kuya Christian, Amba Christian, Grand Coach. So this is the 21 days. Kuya Christian, sorry po ha.
Yes,
Wala ba tayo nung updated?
Ito ba yon?
Okay. Ito ba yung latest kanina?
Ito lang yung may 3 days preparation pero hindi napasa ni Shine yung talagang updated.
Okay po. So, pwedeng ako ang mag-share?
Pwede. Yeah,
sige
please.
pa.
Okay, you are already a co-host, sister. I'll stop the share.
Okay. Nakikita niyo po ba ang screen ko?
We're seeing your screen now.
Thank you. So, sorry papasukin ko lang din si Sunshine. Actually, nandoon ang... So, sandali lang po ha. Amazing project, the 21-day habit formation process. No? So, very quick, I know you've done this naman last Saturday, Amba, Christian, and Jasmine, right?
Yes po.
Sige. So quick kanan ko lang. So yung today is actually November 18, no, until Wednesday, because we'll be all running it together. So ako rin po as grand coach, I'm also handling team, kasama ko ang Cruz, of course sa team natin nila Amba, Christian and Jasmine, and then ang team nila Carriaga and Paredes, isang team sila. So tatlo po tayo na team na nagra-run nito, and all the same ang pag-run natin. So preparation natin to. So yeah, the orientation, we enroll people, ganun. So pero ang pinaka-start talaga natin is the week 1 natin is still this week, pero November 21. So on Thursday, no? So and then until December 14. So pag i-compute mo po to from November 21 to December 14, 6 days a week lang po. It's either Sunday or Saturday yung wala kang reporting, walang off, kumbaga ba, parang 6 days a week lang yung computation natin. That's a total of 21 days. So kinuha lang natin yung science of parang habit forming, no, for 21 days. So ito po siya, and again, no, ito pong ating 21 day na run na to is actually naka-align, nakapasok pa rin po siya sa ating amazing project. This time lang hinighlight natin, naka-highlight masyado paano ba natin, ano ba dapat ang ginagawa natin on a day-to-day basis. So, ganun po siya. So, kami po, we are actually having a weekly grand coaches meeting para aligning, para isa talaga tayo for this 21-day run. And then, we have the weekly coaches meeting. I know, sa weekly coaches meeting po, for the team, sa amin po kasi sobrang dami din, no? So, 2 team hinati namin. And I know sa inyo rin po, hinati din yung team. So, pero we have a way of, so this time po, iisahin lang. So, isang coaches meeting lang ang mangyayari for the team Baluran. Isang coaches meeting lang din kami. Isa lang din, kahit gaano pa karami. Because we'll be having a way na mapapasok po natin in 2 hours yung lahat ng kailangan i-discuss, and even yung mga wins and all, no? So may structure po tayo for that. So there is also a weekly CSEL na gagawin natin, pero by the way po, I'm encouraging each one of you, especially for may mga team sa Manila and sa mga Manila na team, kasi this Saturday, ito po yung week 1 dito na meron dapat tayong CSEL, pero aalisin na po yung CSEL for this Saturday kasi we have an event, no, sa Hexagon, and this is napakaganda po ng event na to, so I'm encouraging everyone to attend po sa event na to. So ilalive din natin yon sa, especially yung hindi makaka-attend, sa ating amazing project na FB page, no, private page natin. So, yung ating weekly CSEL, 3 weeks na lang siya. So, dyan po sama-sama tayo, no, sa weekly CSEL. Compare sa weekly coaches, meron kaming napag-agrihan ng mga grand coaches na may mga coaches na magjo-join sa team namin, magjo-join sa team nyo, parang magkakwan tayo. But that is for parang mag-iikot para makita how it's being done, and then the lessons, especially there's content in every coaches meeting. So sa weekly, that coaches meeting is really exclusive for those who are running the 21-day run, no? Pero for the weekly CSEL, this is open even for new ones, even sa mga hindi nag-AP, no? So yung CSEL would be for the 21-day run, 3 beses lang siya. And then we also have the weekly content, and yung weekly content natin, it will be sa time natin sa Pilipinas, will be every Tuesdays, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30. So tomorrow, 1 hour po yan, we'll be discussing. So nag-start na yung week 1 natin, no? For this, ito yung week 1 this week is we'll be discussing the ABC rule and a little bit on ano ba yung gusto nating together, resolve together na gusto natin, no? Binivisualize natin for this 21-day run. So, which is we wanna create momentum together. So, we'll be discussing that tomorrow. So, for 1 hour. So, yan po yan. And then week 2, handling objection, ABC rule. So, part kasi ng gusto nating mangyari is talagang magkaroon talaga tayo ng together as a team, no? Massive momentum. And isang gagamitin nating tool dyan is the ABC rule. Kaya kung makikita nyo, part ng content is talagang mayroon tayong diin for the ABC rule. Pag makikita nyo po, with the AP, hindi talaga tayo pumapayag na hindi equally important ang ating internal stamina, no? And wala tayong pinasok na internal stamina with our content simply because sa ating gagawin po natin, part ng kailangan ng commitment natin until matapos ang 21-day habit is babalikan natin yung 7. There is 7 recorded Zooms na 45 minutes po yon na ginawa ni CTO Nathan about internal stamina. Nandun po yan sa ating amazing project na FB page. So, kailangan po natin lang yung balikan, no? Para hindi na natin siya uulitin. So, and then of course, there is a weekly team meeting. So, as is po yan. So, still ganun pa rin po yung ating calendar, no? For this 21-day. And then, ganun din po yung ating structure for the weekly Zoom meeting, both for coaches and team. Ang magiging kaibahan lang po neto is wala nang reporting. So, instead of reporting, and I'm sure sa inyo po, sobrang dami ng coaches. So, yung mangyayari, you will just type yung wins nyo. No, hindi kakayanin ng 2 minutes everyone, but we want it na magsama-sama ang lahat. So, the host will be reading it and then pipili lang ng few because from 1 to up to the 4 is dapat ang ma-consume lang dyan is nasa 20 minutes. Because ang kaibahan po this time ng coaches meeting there will be a 30-minute special content na ang topic po talaga is all about the daily journeying. So ito pong 21-day run natin. So may mga topic tayo na dyan natin gagawin yung downloading, cascading. And ang mag-handle ng mga spatial content will really be the grand coaches. So we will really journey with you. No? So sabay-sabay po tayo dito. So yun siya yun. And then so the rest, so as is po, same pa rin po, same format. There will be a host, prayers, so which are the coaches pa rin po. So ganun, this is really AP. Hinighlight lang natin yung daily activities, no? So ano yung magiging pag nag-join ka with the 21-day run? So ano ba yung task po natin? So here again, so for everyone, yun yung roadmap natin, non-negotiable siya, no, to really fill it up, no? So dapat nasagutan yung 1 to 8 na yan, no? So or at least kung meron ka na yan, we can update. You can update that one po. And ito yung isang pan natin, the daily monitoring sheet. Kasi pag titignan nyo po ito, so this is our roadmap. So napila pa natin yan kasi part pa rin po yan sa daily natin na ibabangga natin, no? So as we journey, ito yung medyo ipopokus natin this time kasi the last time halos doon tayo nakapokus sa worksheet, no? So this time dito tayo, saan ba natin inilalagay dapat yung ating energy? So ito naman naka-direct talaga siya for income producing activities. So ganun lang yung process. So with the highlight natin, which is the 21-day habit formation process. So, sa mga mag-join po with the group chat, so magkakaroon tayo ng daily posting. So, yan yung part ng commitment, no? So, ang imo-monitor po natin dyan is tatlo, no? First, the daily conversations na ginagawa natin, di ba? According nga kay Eric Worre, kung malalaman mo if you have the massive momentum, if you are doing 100 conversations a day. Grabe talaga ang 100 conversations a day, no? But magugulat ka rin pag talagang nandito ka na, because part ng momentum, no? Yung momentum po kasi hindi naman din yan mangyayari nang wala tayong role to play. So meron talagang personal contribution tayo niyan. Talagang we'll have to really create it intentionally. Then level sa group, sa team, so doon tayo papasok, no? So ito yung way of pag-create natin. So magugulat ka dyan, yung mga, paano yun? Paano ko gagawin yung conversation? Ano bang pag-uusapan namin? Di ba? Parang kung lalo na hindi ka used to it, parang ako nga ilan lang kausap ko, parang gano'n. Mapapaisip ka paano mo yun mangyayari. Ibig sabihin ba nun 100 yung kakausapin mo daily na bagong tao? Hindi naman, because the conversations po is, of course, we balance it, no? Ayaw natin na income-wise, no? We always balance it na kumikita ka habang nagtatrabaho ka. So, hindi po pwedeng strong leg lang, yung isa lang munang leg ang tinututukan mo, ganun. So, always ganun. So, yung the conversations is the income-producing activities. Prospecting, invitation, presentation, closing the sale, follow-up, training, servicing, di ba? Actually, even talking to the upline for trainings, ganyan, or anything pa, part yan. So, anything na ginawa mo, ilang tao yung nakausap mo, na it has something to do with the business, with pride, no? Yun yung conversations mo. Ilan lahat yan, nag-prospect ka ba? Nag-invite ka ba? Nag-close ka ba ng sales? So yun yun. So this time, we will really be aware, no? Ilan yung nakausap ko? Diba? So magiging kwanta niya, kakanan natin yan, i-monitor natin. No? So, yan po siya. And then, the skill sets, mindset also. So, this is, you can do the journaling. We really encourage you na mag-journal. Pero, worst case scenario na ayaw nyo po, no? You can also type it dun sa group chat. But, ito yung kwan natin, but you really have to answer, no? Kasi we really have to grow, no? Because, you cannot be a $1 million earner, dollar na muna tayo, no? Or you cannot be a 1 million earner if you are not a 1 million worth leader. So it's equivalent. So we really have to be prepared also sa ating leadership, no? So and part niyan is talagang embracing growth. So what could work better? So gagawin natin yan on a daily basis, no? So sini-check natin. And then, the internal stamina, napaka-importante nito. And tayo, ito yung natin, anchor talaga natin. The internal stamina is, no, we are not a victim. So, we design, we live life by design, no? So, parang we are, kumbaga ba natin, aware tayo. Kaya i-heighten niya, kanya-kanyang hawak ng flashlight dito. And tayo din yung magtataas para mas yung awareness natin mas heighten. So, dito, with this po, pag titignan nyo, meron tayong sample, no, ng reporting. So, eto siya. Ito yung format natin, no, na yung name, conversations, and also, yung sample po natin dyan is eto siya. So, for example, your name. So, ito naman, always, no, andyan na siya. So, every day, di ba, part yan ng tinatype mo. Nandyan na siya. It could be, pwede rin na nagjo-journal ka, pipicturean mo lang yon, isi-send mo yon dun sa group chat. So, everybody will send dun sa group chat bago ka matulog. Kumbaga ba, bago ka matulog, nag-reflect ka, anong nangyari sa'yo for today. para tomorrow, it's really another day. So ako po, yun nga sa part dun sa akin sa Team A, no, coach din ito, and nung tumawag siya sa akin, na sabi niya na, Glo, alam mo, nag-iisip talaga ako eh. Sabi niya, Juan ba? Sabi niya, totoo ba talaga na wala ka ng ibang sikreto? Mayroon ka pa bang pwedeng ituro na hack? Ituro mo na yung really the secret. Paano mo ba talaga siya ginawa? Parang, kumbaga, parang baka meron pa, sabihin mo na parang, meron pa bang talagang sikreto, no? What? So, yun yung sinishare. Parang ako napaisip, wala talaga. And I think I can actually say that I did this, no? So, yun yung binalikan ko siya ng tanong. Are you reflecting every day what works, what could work better? Nagjo-journal ka ba? Eto ba? Well, hindi ganon. Aware ka ba sa mga activities mo? The next day, pag i-approach mo yung next morning is new. Like, for example, in my case, no, grabe ang for today, sabi ko nga po sa inyo, di ba, my share is hindi katulad now, no? Hindi ko habit. Hindi talaga ako yung mahilig magsulat at gusto ko magsulat, no? But during the time na niraran ko to, ginagawa ko siya, hindi ako nagpo-complain. I'm doing it with joy, no? So, kahit hindi yung antok na ako, pwede ba mag-negotiate ako sa sarili ko? Pwede ba bukas na hindi? I have to do it. So, the discipline is really there, no? So, I really have to do it kasi bukas should be another day, no? So sa akin po, I'm talaga, parang the awareness really on this sa daily is talagang nilakad po talaga. So I think yun yung isa. With that question, dun din yung parang dun ako nagkaroon ng reflection. Oo nga, no? Then I started to ask, how do you spend your day? How do you spend your day? Anong activities mo? Ilan nakausap mo? Ilan ang ganito mo? Ano yung, so doon mo makikita na, okay. So, and then yun yung i-strengthen or i-highlight natin sa journey na to. So dito po, ang basically, no, with our format, ang isulalagay mo lang talaga dito is conversations, number of participants. Kasi halos lahat naman to identified mo na. So, kung ilan yung nakausap mo for that day. So, for example, na nakausap mo, and hindi mo na kailangan sabihin kung saan siya, kung ano yung conversation na ginawa mo. Hindi na natin hihingin yon. The conversation. Ang sa atin lang is ilan lahat. No? So, nakausap mo 100, 50, 20, 5, isa. So, yan yung ilalagay mo po dyan. No? Tapos, yung sa pangalawa naman is skill. So, it depende na sa grand coaches or sa coaches part ng iyong caddying, doon napapasok yung detalye noon. But again, don't feel pressured with this journey, with this reporting, kasi po, we do it together. Magjo-journey tayo. Let's put it joy. Hindi natin aalisin yung joy, being in the space of joy with this. Kasi, first of all po, I know we are all ready for this. Kumbaga ba, na rin tayo, naiintindihan, we're in 80, no? So, naiintindihan natin na itong vehicle natin na to, gusto talaga natin, ito yung right vehicle for us, no? That ito yung, kumbaga ba, it's overdue, we are worthy for abundance in all aspects, no? We are ready to harvest. Para, kumbaga ba, naintindihan natin lahat yung principles. So, ito yung tool. So, the only people, ako po ang nakikita ko is yung magre-resist lang naman talaga. And even in putting this one is, if you are not really committed for your freedom, time, financial, location, and personal freedom, because isa naman yun sa gusto natin at na goal natin. No? So, if hindi mo naman talaga gusto, then talagang mape-pressure ka dito. So, but another way ng pag-alis natin, so we just have to put in joy is that wala po tayong gagawing processing. dito. So kanya-kanya talagang taas ng flashlight. Ikaw magtataas ng flashlight, no? Oo nga, no? Akala ko grabe na yung ginagawa ko, pero isa lang nakausap ko, 2 lang, 3. So ikaw yung mag-check, you coach yourself, no? Actually, yun yung best way for us to coach if we can actually coach ourselves, no? So yun yung pinaka-concept niya. So again, conversation, number of people, then the skill sets and mindsets, no? What work and what could work better. So sa sample natin, what work is my courage to call my 2 new prospects, no? So ito mababasa lang natin, but of course maybe pag kinausap mo siya, doon mo maintindihan yung palang 2 prospects niya na yon. Parang natatakot siyang kausapin, no? Hindi niya alam paano i-approach talaga, something like that. Kaya what works for that person is really embracing the courage, no? So maganda, so yun yung one natin. So always hindi din po pwedeng what works. So we can always strengthen. At the same time, with our journey is we will also open tayo po. It's like a Kaizen, no? Open tayo for improvement lagi, no? So especially until, no? Kung lagi naman yan, no? Forever. But especially nandiyan tayo sa foundation stage. Talagang parang talaga tayo, open tayo sa ano pang kailangan kong improve. Kasi yun yung making things happen natin eh. Yun yung way of saying the Ras, tulong ka Ras, tulong ka pineal gland. Kumbaga ba, all of you, no? Pasok ka sa subconscious. So talagang cells, galaw tayo lahat because, so magugulat ka, nandun yung magic. If talagang ikaw, you are always looking for strategy, for ways, paano mo pa paano ka pa mag-improve para mas mapadali yung iyong goal. So, ganun siya. So, dito sa sample is create a customized spiel for each of my prospects to ensure I understand why they need this opportunity and address potential reasons for their hesitation or inability to commit, and also to know my skills to close the sale that encourages them to join now. So yung sa atin po, part ng momentum, although sample lang naman to, no? Part ng momentum na creation natin is talagang the intention to close, and for our prospects, no, sino man yan, ngayon nagagalaw now, no? So yun parang we will really master, no? We will really learn all these skills na paano ba talaga magkaroon ng resulta. So yun siya. So and yun yung journey for the 21. So we'll be with you anyway. So the third is the internal stamina, no? So part ito, and sabi nga natin, lahat, everything that we need, no? Being rich, being abundant, being successful, all of this is an inside job. It's all there. We'll just have to manifest. No, parang so we're talking about that naman. So that's that, we all know about this. So yun po yun. And so pag titignan mo, we will understand na at the end of the day, no, yung palang why natin, which is our family, 'di ba? Yan naman talaga yung main natin, no, na why the immediate family, the family, our loved ones, no? And then magugulat ka, hook lang pala siya, no? Magugulat ka na, wow, pag nangyayari na yung financial freedom mo na yan, yung time freedom mo na yan, I just don't live for my family pala, I live for, so, lumalaki hanggang you're living in your life purpose, you're embracing your greatness, diba? And part of that, nangyayari po yan if we really know who we are. So on the process, it's really the becoming. So knowing who we are without a doubt. So the who we are, that journey, kaya ako po kanina na nakakatuwa. So I think yan yung isang wins natin for all of us na nag-AP, is that naging aware tayo sa who we are, no? I am courageous, all this what we call essence qualities. So dito po, so nag-specific muna tayo for the internal stamina because it's we have to really go for essence qualities, no? So, yun yung maintindihan natin, ako pala ito. So, ito lang yung mga results, no? So, what are you grateful for today? What are you grateful for today? So, sasagutan mo po yan. So, sample dito, may one retailer downline is now committing to be a builder. So, ganyan po. Pwede Tagalog, pwede kahit na parang kwan lang, pointers, pwede po yan. Basta, kung masyadong mahaba yung kwento, pwede po yan. Shorten kahit one, ganyan lang one sentence lang, no? So, what is one essence, quality you are embracing today? So, my one retailer downline is now committing to be a builder. So, kumbaga ba, everyday, sasagutan po natin ito. And yung sa atin is para aware tayo, no? Ano yung ini-embrace natin? It's really the journey. And yung what are you grateful for today? Actually, that is the space that we want, no? And ako po, kung meron man akong nailakad na isa, kasi hindi naman ganito ka-organized, no? Nung time na, nung ako po nag-journey ako for this is, yung pong what are you grateful for today. So ako po, yan po talaga. Kasi sa dami ng problema, sa dami ng challenges na meron kaming hinaharap ng mga panahon na yon, no? Walang produkto, 5 weeks, it's not really a joke, yung mga challenges na meron. And merong days na parang ang iisipin mo na lang talaga, pag gabi na, kulang na lang po, wala ka ring parang, ano ba ang pwede ako maging grateful? Lahat challenges. Meron pang nagmura sa akin na downline. Grabe na ang tulong ko sa kanya. Kung makamura ka, ano ako, alipin niya. Parang, yung ego mo, yung kwan mo talagang, minsan, masakwan ka talaga. You really have to be emotionally part of this, no? Emotionally stable. Ako, I just don't take it personally. Yun din yung isa sa akin. And so, of course, there is part that you teach them how to treat you by being honest, open din with them. Pero, hindi mo sila papatulan sa aspect, no, that you know better. So, and you don't also want to give your power, you don't want to give your power to them by reacting. So, yung what are you grateful for today, ako po talaga, I think yan yung isang nag-sustain sa amin, no? So, kahit anong challenges, hindi po pwedeng hindi mo yan sagutan. So, better so sa akin, ano yung bakit to nangyayari? Ano yung purpose neto? Para, especially, of course, yung things na we can actually control with the emotions. Para hindi na siya mag-ulit, no? So, para mabilis. The thing here is, pwede naman natin actually makuha talaga kung anong goal natin 3 years from now, 4 years from now. So with our AP, with this, na sobrang aware tayo on a day-to-day basis, sino-shorten natin yung process. Hindi siya shortcut because lahat ng kailangan pagdadaanan natin. Ang challenges is not opposite of success. Part talaga siya ng success. So, part siya ng kailangan i-journey. So, yun yung magiging aware tayo na, okay, hindi ko pala ito iba-brush off, hindi pala ako magre-react dito, pero I will put meaning to this. And then today, okay na siya, matutulog na ako, tomorrow it's really a new day. I-apply ko kung ano yung kahapon. So, ganun po siya na journey na meron tayo. And dun tayo magugulat, no, nandun yung magic, nangyayari na siya. No, so dito dito pag ganyan ka, walang victim story, wala nang, we're responsible sa natin, sa atin, sa result na gusto natin, sa buhay natin. And 'di ba yung what we are also explaining is that the part of our journey is really parang yung gusto na, it's like a mirror, the law of mirror, 'di ba? So laging let's say ako nag-mirror ako ngayon, may nakita ako na dumi sa mukha ko. Saan ko aalisin yung dumi? Doon ba sa mirror? 'Di ba sa mukha ko naman? So, and in principle, alam natin yon. Pero in pag yung although metaphor siya, no, pero yung nangyayari talaga, ang nasa labas yung tinitignan natin. Most of the time, ang pinupupunasan natin yung mirror. May dumi yung mukha dun sa mirror. Or palitan mo yung mirror. Basagin yung mirror. Pero ang nakakalimutan lagi natin is, and this is a real talk, no? Ano man yung resulta natin is yun yung meron tayo sa loob. It's really our container, no? So parang gusto mo ng light, yung mag-light yung bulb mo ng, let's say, 25 volts ba yon? Yung volts ba yung tawag yan? Kung 25 yon, hindi siya magla-light yan ng 120 hanggang 25 siya. So, yun yung isang awareness natin dito na, okay, yan palang mga unforgiveness, yung mga pag hindi ka grateful, patatagalin mo pa ang drama, papatulan mo yan, ganito yan. Nagpapatagal pala talaga siya ng process. It's actually, it will hinder. Worst case talaga, magpapastuck pa siya sa'yo or totally magpuputol na siya na hindi mo makuha yung dapat mong makuha. So, yun yun. So, yun yung ayaw nating i-allow. So, we will respond to this on a day-to-day basis. So, ito yung ating 21-day habit na, 21-day na ira-run natin. So, i-heighten lang natin yung, parang lalagyan natin ng flashlight together. Etong natin, addressing yung tatlo, no? The income producing activities natin is the conversations, skill sets, mindsets, and yung loob talaga natin, the internal stamina natin na tinatawag. So, yun po siya. So, pipil-upan po natin to daily. So, what happened to the habit, no? Kasi, sabi natin, walang pressure, may joy. Diba? We should be enjoying this, no? Kasi, kung pangarap mo naman yung matutupad, bakit hindi mo to i-enjoy, 'di ba? Gusto mo ba ngayon na mangyari or patatagalin mo pa, 'di ba? So, alam po natin na hindi naman lahat tayo, no? And self-motivated. I mean, it's not maybe self-motivated yung right term. Yung minsan kailangan may konting pitik, 'di ba? Parang it's not pressure po but I have to do it Yung pressure is should be a positive pressure because it's coming from inside. Ikaw yung nagcha-challenge sa sarili mo. Positive challenge on yourself, no? And maganda po yun, It's like, yan talaga ang nagkakaroon ng resulta, no? Because yung mga gusto naman natin is really outside of our comfort zone. So, dun tayo kailangan natin itulak yung sarili natin na kaya mo yan, sige, go for that. Kasi dun talaga Dahil kung katawan lang natin ang masusunod, sa comfort zone siya niya gusto Yun na yung master, may memory na yung body natin dun So, dapat manggagaling yun sa loob natin. So, part of that, part ng support ng group, ng team natin, is we will all agree. So, sa team nyo na to, sa team nyo lahat, you will all agree. So, part ng reporting on a daily basis, so for 6 days a week, 3 weeks lang naman po ito, no? And is, meron tayong reward system. So, for this week, i-announce yan, sino ang kompleto na nag-submit. Kasi walang processing di ba? And then, sino yung mga hindi kompleto? No? So, hindi tayo yung, grabe yung reason. I mean, most of the time kasi if we buy in with the reasons, dyan na tayo. Very thin line talaga yan na parang ganun din yon yung mirror ang pinupunasan mo, hindi yung loob mo. And most of the time kaya hindi natin nakukuha yung ating goal, it's because yung labas lahat ang tinitignan natin, anong dahilan. Pero yung what's getting in the way, hindi natin tinitignan yung loob, how you will respond to it, how you will, kumbaga ba, what's getting in the way, what's your programming, your belief system on that. So makikita mo, loob talaga para, I like what I'm seeing now in the mirror. So ganun siya. So maganda yon no, na may reward system tayo sa mga nagiging kumpleto. What if hindi naman nakapag-submit? Nakapag-post, no? Kumbaga ba, let's say, si Coach A, no? 3 tries lang siya nakapag-post, no? For valid reasons, no? So sa takbo natin 21 days to, no? You will all agree what is valid or wala ba tayong valid because tayo naman ang may gusto nito. So mag-agree kayo ano yung quote unquote, no, consequence. So parang yun yung pitik, parang yun yung support natin na okay, yes, positively challenge yourself. So yung doon yung isang suggestion which is pag-uusapan, pag-aagrihan pa talaga nila. O sige, magbibigay ng money, tapos yung money ikokan yon, irarapol sa end, mapupunta rin sa kanila. So, something like that. So, it depends, no? Kakanta ba, sasaya, whatever it is that you will agree. But dito kasi, adult learning din tayo and hawak natin yung flashlight. So, ibig sabihin, let's coach ourselves, no? Let's mentor ourselves. Ilakad muna natin sa sarili natin. So, basically, ito yung journey natin ng 21-day habit formation process, no? So, again, kasi hina-highlight natin ang ating part ng creating the momentum, highlight natin ang ABC rules. So, for all the coaches, no, yung baka may sasali na new coaches po sa inyo, ang talagang natin, it depends on our grand coach, Amba Christian and Amba Jazz, no? But we magsasubmit po tayo sa mga grand coaches. So, eto po, pipil-upan natin yun. Kasi gagamitin natin ang ABC rule para magkaroon tayo ng resultang mabilis. Kumbaga ba tayo po, hindi tayo nang gigigil sa result kasi alam natin nandyan. Parang sobrang ready at magiging excited tayo to harvest. So, ganun yung natin, no? Ramdam na natin and we have to be prepared. That's why this is the lalakad natin yung 21 day. And here, may picture. So, kakailanganin natin tong background. So, we'll explain, di ba, 2 beses tayo mag-ABC rule. Gagamitin natin po ito. Part ng ating creating the momentum, ABC rule natin. So, pag makikita nyo po sa last part, no, meron tayong member of Millionaires Club. So, ito po, we're also forming sa Pilipinas, the Millionaires Club. So, palalaman, sino ba ang pwedeng magsabi na, member na ako ng Millionaires Club, no? So, once na from the start, kahit retailer ka pa, no, nung nagsimula ka, as long as nasa back office. Nasa back office mo. Kung 10 ang account mo, pwede mong i-add lahat yon. Basta sa'yo talaga yon. So we go for also with integrity. Yeah, that's part of our essence, no? So ang natin is pwede mong i-add yon. And kasama ang BRW. No, for example, yung BRW hindi yan natin makita sa kabilang side, so pwede nating i-add kasi nandun siya sa navigate yan, including kung may income ka sa Unilevel, nasa navigate yun, naka-separate yun, so pwede mo ding i-add yun. Pwede mong i-add pag nag-rank up ka, di ba, may R-Wallet income, pwede mong i-add yun. Basta anything na US dollar na pumasok sa back office with the 8 ways to earn. And matototal mo yon from nag-start ka, kung ilan yung accounts mo, and pumasok ka sa 20,000 US dollars, then you are part of the Millionaires Club. So, for now, nasa peso muna tayo, Millionaires Club ng peso. Pero we're looking forward na ang pinag-uusapan na talaga nating Millionaires Club are dollars, no? So, we can't wait on that. But we need it. And by the way, no, all the Millionaires Club will be acknowledged. Meron po kayong may recognition tayong gagawin this Saturday sa Hexagon, no? With all the grand coaches. Apparently si Amba Christian and Amba Jazz, hindi sila makaka-join, no? Meron silang prior commitment. Same thing kila Cruz. So pero kami nila Demisilio, the 4 couples, no, andun kami sa event. So we will also acknowledge all the Millionaires Club. So yan po siya. And of course, yung nitty-gritty sa pagtawag kasi kadinging talaga tayo, daily action, no? So kahit na minsan po kasi parang hindi na talaga everyday kami nag-uusap, pero kasi dami niya kasing problema, so doon talaga kami lagi nakapokus. Wala na. So we also have to pag may kausap tayo, no, parang especially AP or naiintindihan niya yung takbo neto, parang okay, muna tayo, official talk muna tayo. So we are just reminding na meron tayong kailangan pag-usap. Kumbaga ba may format tayo dun sa daily calls natin. Para din talaga productive yung way yung ating ginagawa, no? So intentional yung kumbaga ba naintindihan natin. Later on maybe the chika-chika moment, no? So again, with all of this, no, and even with the running of AP natin, ito naman po lahat has something to do. The roadmap, yan pa rin yung ating gustong i-accomplish. Ito naman, with this right mindset, strategy, action, the guiding principles, I know, we all know that. Simple, doable, duplicatable. So lahat ito ina-apply natin. Even the support part na they are our business partners. So they have a role to play. And our core values. So, yun lang po. I think, pa-off ko muna ang aking
Wow.
So, yun lang.
Amazing. Let's just give that emoticon reaction to our powerful Amba. Ambla Glory. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Ang baglo.
She has been very busy the entire day talking to a
Thank you
lot
so
of leaders.
much.
And yet she is still here with us today. So thank you so much. Ambaglo, before we let you go, meron lang kasing nabibitawan na mga salita ang ating mga sharers kanina, and Coach Timmy over here is really excited to hear it directly from you, so as with the rest of the team. Paano nga natin ito nakikita, etong 21 days natin informing it as a habit, success habit, dito sa mangyayaring napaka-powerful na launching sa US? Paano natin ito maa-align at masusundan, mako-connect? Thank you, sis, Amba.
Yeah. Actually, yung sa US naman po, no, just to also manage expectations. So, I know we also have mga US na nandito na umattend, no. So, first of all, yung mangyayari na apps, no, na we're in, quote unquote, everything is there, ganun yung takbo niya, and back up kasi yan ng the whole year activities, no. Kumbaga ba, ilalatag talaga yan. So parang maayos ang gagawin nilang pagpapatakbo, no, sa US, with all the activities, events na mangyayari, then with the apps na kumpleto. It's not even competing with MLM companies, but imagine competing in Amazon, ganon. So matindi din po talaga yon. So ito po open for now, i-implement sa mga US na accounts, Canada na accounts. So sa atin po sa Pilipinas, hindi pa natin to maa-adapt agad, no? So i-launch nila ng the target date is first week of December, no? So dito ito naman kasi is actually our tool, dahil ang hat natin is builders, no? And most of ang ina-address kasi neto sa USA, no, iba din yung approach nila. Ang ina-address neto sa USA, first, ayaw talaga nila ng hindi convenient for them. So yun yung pinakauna talaga doon, convenience, no? And so sa atin na nagbi-build, sobrang positive yon, tulong talaga siya, no? So pangalawa na ina-address neto is sanay po talaga sila na meron silang mga customer base lang. Maganda ang produkto mo, wala ka na explanation, parang hindi mo na kailangan puntahan, i-encourage pa, ganon. So, magugulat ka, merong mga product movements, may mga ganon na parang sa through the apps lang. So, kumbaga ba, kulang na lang sabihin mo product movements, retailing, ang sobrang mag-i-enjoy dito sa USA market. And alam naman natin na yung platform natin is networking. So, sobrang advantage natin pag builders ka. No? Kasi hindi mo lang siya mamamaximize sa aspect na, grabe, ito yung hinihintay ko na convenient na lahat. Okay na ako dito. One-stop shop na parang ito, nandito na yung kailangan mo. Ngayon kasi parang we have to still teach them the onboarding, saan mo ba siya dadalhin? Ano yung next? Ipa-plug in mo sa ganito, ipapa-open mo yung, o mag-join ka dito kay CTO na Telegram, ganito, mag-join ka dito. So madami pa yung process natin, turuan kita sa back office. Ito kasi lahat, kahit na ikaw yung mag-guide, magka-caddy, magti-train, isa na lang yung tinitignan nyo. Lahat nandito sa apps. Open mo yung apps mo, so everything is there. Nang ituturo mo kung magkakadi ka, so sa atin, mapapadali yung work natin. Pero sobrang advantage. So parang sila, parang in other words, kung ang pupuntahan natin giyera, no? Parang sila, tayo talaga, na-master na natin. Marunong tayong humawak ng bumarel, gano'n. So sila parang iba, kumbaga ba, yun yung advantage natin, and that's why we wanna maximize it ng ganon, no? So, yun yung sa atin as builders, mas matindi yung explosion for us kung ganon, no? So, kasi hindi lang tayo retail customer base, but sa lahat sa atin, convenient mag-build. Madali na lang masyado mag-duplicate. Kasi everything is there in one app. So, I think yun yung sagot ko dyan, no? And definitely, no, the momentum that we're talking about is actually, the momentum is a stages, no? Merong magsisimula sa personal. That's why we really have intentionally creating the momentum, no? Tayo, we have a role to play. Then we go for the groups. Kaya nga, hindi ka po pwedeng hindi to take ownership on your leadership. You really have to have a group na i-grow mo talaga, na ikaw ang leader dyan. And then, sa team. The team is now your group, collaborating with other groups, collaborating with other groups. So, may team momentum din. So, kung may group momentum, may team momentum. Then, the team, after the team momentum, meron din tayong company momentum. And we're going through the real deal. Yung sa amin dati, patikim lang yon. Kasi the momentum that happens is really, hindi yun talaga pwedeng sustain. Kumbaga ba tinry? Kung sasakay kami ng train, tinry natin, pwede na ba tong train na to? Parang try, ganun talaga yung takbo. The real momentum is ngayon because we can now sustain it. We can, kumbaga ba, it's ready yung container natin to sustain. The company is now ready. Dati kasi yung company, yung growth din niya, hindi siya makasabay, no? So, now it's ready. It's ready, the momentum. We're ready for the momentum as a company. So, yun yung kailangan nating abangan. And the truth about it, no, momentum is everything. Imaginein mo yung momentum na na-create natin nung nagsisimula, kahit trial momentum lang siya, but siya yung nagbigay ng resulta. So, in terms of this industry, in terms of yung gagawin natin together, momentum is really everything, no? Kasi ako personally, yung naaalala ko, kung hindi ko na-create, kung hindi kami together, no? Kasi for example, si leader na to, kung talaga yan, pinag-iisa. So, intentionally, nag-create ng personal momentum, tapos group momentum, kaya magkakakilala sila, then team momentum sa USA, kaya everyday may BOP sila doon na ito mag-share, o kahit hindi niya downline, ikaw ngayon ang testimonial. So, intentionally, we've created, no? Kaya despite of all the challenges, because my momentum, hindi na napansin yung momentum, hindi na napansin yung sobrang tindi na challenges. So what I'm saying is, parang lagi, kumbaga ba sa atin, if if with the sense of urgency and velocity, pag gawin talaga natin yan, no? Parang sa train, di ba? Pag ang train, hindi pa siya nakakagawa ng momentum. So, ibig sabihin, dahan-dahan pa siya. Subukan mong lagyan niya ng kahoy sa kanya, sa wheels niya. Mag-stop. Mag-stop siya. No? I-stop niya talaga yung train. Pero pag yan may momentum na, grabe na yung andar niya. Kasi talagang andyan na, together na, no? Pag umaandar na siya, lagyan mo yan ng kahoy. Igaganon niya lang din yan. So, pag may momentum tayo together, may company doon, may ganito dyan, may ganyan dyan, you will see because results is really happening. And yun yung pinaghahandaan natin. And nandun tayo ngayon because we're ready for harvest. So, but again, yung isang backlog or loopholes natin to becoming ready, alam natin na the results that we want is discipline plus surrender. So, nandito yung magic period sa atin yan. Yung discipline, consistency, discipline talaga na day-to-day, saan mo binibigay energy mo, ano yung daily activities mo, yan talaga siya yon. So, hindi siya po pwede kumbaga, real talk, you want it? O anong ginagawa mo ngayon? So, nandun siya. So, ang driver lang natin is yung ating the internal stamina natin. Kaya, magugulat ka for us, even for me, na kung alam niyo po, parang iniisip ko minsan, grabe, no? Parang, grabe ka din, Lord, no? Parang hindi ako napagod. Lifestyle, kung tutuusin, ilan na po yung nagdemanda sa akin. Tapos, grabe, ay nako, kung kaya ko lang kwento yung mga iba na grabe talaga, parang, hindi ako makapaniwala, no? Parang, kasi, kung sino-sino sisisihin, and most of the time, ako talaga humaharap. Grabing, ako talaga. Tapos, ang company pa, lahat na ng angulo. Pero yung sasabihin mo na, pagod ka ba? Ganito ka ba? Hindi. Kasi, talaga, contain ko yung loob ko. So, yun yung gusto talaga natin. Pero hindi po pwedeng walang action. So, yun lang po, yun yung pinaghahandaan natin. So, non-negotiable for us. Hindi rin tayo pwedeng magsabi na, hindi, ready ako po yung yayaman. Pero wala ka namang, hindi pwedeng wala rin action. So, yun lang po yung sa atin. The discipline.
Thank you so much, Coach Amba, no? In relation dun sa sinabi mo, can you expound further? Kasi nag-usap tayo with the grand coaches na although hindi magagamit pa temporarily ito ng hindi taga-US because the pilot of this will be US. However, yung napag-usapan at na-share mo na ang pwede nating gawin is dahil tayo dito sa Pilipinas, meron tayong kakilala sa US, yun ang sila at ito ang paghandaan natin na maitap natin sila sa mangyayaring napakaganda at napaka-explosive na pangyayari sa US coming from the Philippines. Paano mo nga yun nakikita, Ambaglo?
Actually, that's also one of the purpose ng ating working together, no? So, if makikita nyo po, we have leaders from different, AP participants, no? US, Canada, and all. And that's why with the ABC rule natin, nandun yung details nila and ganyan. Kasi, ang topic halos natin is, andun din global online business, di ba? So, sa atin po, as sa leadership, no, as we mag-lead with the grand coaches, ipupush talaga natin ang online. Kumbaga ba, okay yan, may hybrid, gagawin, tignan natin ko pa, pero hindi po pwedeng full-time talagang all-out, kwan ka lang, face-to-face lang, na offline lang yung paggawa mo. Unless yan talaga yung gusto mo at okay ka naman sa resulta na yan. Pero if we really go for freedom, the way and fastest way to go is really to have an online market. So, ito pong day-to-day natin na gagawin na to, naka-towards po talaga dito na, asaan ang market mo sa ibang bansa? So part siya ng ng steering na gagawin po natin. So that's why with our C-cells, may invite tayo na mga ibang lahi, no, na magsasalita every Saturday. So because we want to really, especially dun sa mga wala pa talagang strong network, especially sa US, na parang you will start to be aware na ay meron talaga ako niyan, may darating. So wala naman din sigurong taga-Pilipinas na walang kilala sa USA, no? Na downlines mo. Yung kakilala na yon, doon na yun magsisimula. So medyo meron tayong gagawing work na gano'n with our 21-day AMBAC, Christian.
Thank you for letting us know about that, Ambaglo, no? So, ibig sabihin tayo ngayon, kahit hindi pa tayo makagamit dun sa app, dahil ilo-launch lang ito muna sa Amerika, pero ang pag-iisip natin ay kumuha na tayo ng mga leader na nasa Amerika at sila yung gagamit sa app. Anyway, under sila sa atin.
Correct.
Tayo ay makakasabay pa rin sa momentum na yon dahil lahat ng mga leaders na nasa Amerika na nakuha natin ay pwedeng pabilisin ang kanilang paggalaw, pagdami at paglaki dahil nagagamit nila ang Bright Builders app at etong new merchant na available in the US as a pilot and then later on in Canada and the rest of the world. So I thank you so much for that powerful connection, Ambaglo, no? I'd like to just turn this to Coach Timmy kung meron pa bang katanungan or ano sa the rest. Wala na? Kung wala nang tanong,
kasi it's so clear. Thank you so much
it's
to
so
our
clear. Yeah.
Grabe. And also
Wow.
thank you for bringing that. I think that was the question, Grand Coach. So nasabi mo na. And congratulations to 89. Grabe, oh. So magto 2 hours. So don't worry po. Diyan po